Welcome back to another video, and for today I'll be going over the best 5 graphic design tools that are as good as Canva or even better, and best of all, they are all free to use. Now let's get into the video. And at number 5 we have Fotor. Fotor is a free online photo editor that allows you to edit photos in just a few clicks. It covers various free online photo editing tools so that you can crop images, resize them, add text to the photos, and make photo collages. It is mainly known for its photo editing prowess, but you can also use Fotor to create graphic designs. You can create interesting and engaging graphics for social media like YouTube thumbnails and channel ads, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, Twitter posts, Pinterest posts, and more. You can also create for marketing purposes, lifestyle, documents, educational ads, and event designs. And there's one special thing you can also do with Fotor that no other tool in this list can do, and that is to create NFTs. So definitely give Fotor a try. And fourth on the list, we have postermywall. Postermywall is a free online graphic design tool that is tailored for social media content designs. With this easy-to-use tool, you can create amazing social media graphics, videos, posters, and flyers. With postermywall, you can create posters, flyers, stickers, social media posts, email campaigns, and you can also edit videos. With their free plan, you have access to over 730,000 templates to work with. You also get over 1 million free stock videos, photos, audios, and stickers that you can use in your designs. Plus, you get to download every design you create on postermywall. Give postermywall a try without having to pay a dime. Now on to the next two. And at number 3, we have Vectr. Vectr is a bit different from other graphic design tools in this list because it's a simple yet powerful free graphic editor that allows you to design and edit vector graphics like a pro without its steep learning curve. With Vectr, you don't need to have any prior experience in vector designs because Vectr is an AI-powered graphic design tool. It guides you through its software so as to flatten the learning curve and lets you design like an expert in no time. You can also collaborate with your teams to increase the workflow amongst yourself. You can create logos, presentations, cards, brochures, website mockups, and any 2D graphics with Vectr. For someone like me who is into animation, this is a great tool to increase the originality and the uniqueness of my animated videos. So what do you think so far of the tools I've mentioned in this video? Are they what you wanted to see? If yes, please do leave a like on this video and also leave a comment with your thoughts below. Now let's head back to the video. And at number 2, we have simplified.com. Simplified.com is an AI tool that offers a large suite of tools that you can use to design, write, edit videos, and publish content. But for this video, let's focus on its graphic design abilities. Hover on Product and click on Design. Simplified is a no-code app to design invitations, ads, social media posts, videos, and more. Simplified is the first ever AI-powered graphic design tool. You can browse thousands of templates to create posters, brochures, flyers, business cards, and more. Also, you don't need experience in graphic designs. You can design logos, marketing assets on their free platform. You can also invite team members to edit, manage, tag, and comment on projects, and also create separate folders for clients and projects to keep your work neat and tidy. Get thousands of free templates to work with, and you can also design with their creative AI assistant to help you flatten the learning curve. You get unlimited designs and video projects, and also millions of free photos and stock videos. So try out simplified.com today, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this tool. And at number 1, we have Desygner. Desygner is a free graphic design tool that is really great for people who are just getting started with graphic designs. Like it says here, no experience required. You have access to easy-to-use editing features like background removers, PDF editors, and animations. And you can also explore their large professional stock photo collections of over 150 million images on their site. You can get started with this free graphic design tool without using a credit card. On Desygner, you can create logos, business and greeting cards, banner ads, pricing lists and menus on your website, resumes and CVs, social posts, presentations, flyers, and posters. They are trusted by big companies like Amazon and BBC. Also, repurposing your work for all marketing needs gets easier with Desygner because it allows you to automatically resize any design into beautifully formatted graphics that pops up in your social media. You can get all this for free with Desygner, like the free images, the large library of fonts, and also something that beats Canva free version in its ability to download designs with a transparent background. Not even Canva offers this. So this is a tool you should definitely get started with if you are looking to change your graphic design tool, like you're using Canva already and you want something else that offers more. You can go to desygner.com. So now that we've come to the end of this video, do you agree with my list? Comment below your favorite graphic design tool in or outside this list. And if you've made it this far, please do leave a like on this video. It will really make me motivated to make more videos for you daily, and please do subscribe if you want to, and also smash that notification bell for more daily videos. And I'm going to be linking every tool I've talked about in the description section below. So also check out this video right here that says 5 automation tools that every business needs to grow in 2022. I'm sure you're going to enjoy that video too, and have a great day, and I'm definitely going to see you in the next video.